Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to turn off autofill in Dashlane for a specific website. First, open your browser and go to the page of the site where you want Dashlane to stop autofilling. Next, click the Dashlane icon in your browser toolbar. Then click into the Autofill tab in that pop-up. This shows the autofill settings for that specific website. Then under the site's autofill settings, choose Pause. Dashlane will ask you to confirm. Once confirmed, autofill suggestions and login prompts will stop appearing on that site. If later you decide you want autofill back, go to the same page, open the Dashlane icon, then Autofill tab, select Resume, then refresh the page. That restores autofill for that website. Take note that this setting only covers specific sites and does not alter your global preferences. And that's how you turn off autofill in Dashlane for one site. Thanks for watching.